Imagine a manufacturing world where inefficiencies disappear and productivity soars. Sounds enticing, right? Today, we're diving into how Books365 all-in-one advanced ERP revolutionizes the manufacturing industry. Manufacturers face continuous challenges: rising costs, operational inefficiencies, and the need for swift decision-making. Books365 all-in-one advanced ERP addresses these issues head-on and offers remarkable benefits for manufacturers. Let's explore the main advantages. First, it streamlines operations and improves efficiency. Books365 all-in-one advanced ERP optimizes workflows, reduces waste, and enhances resource utilization. This means smooth processes and lower production costs. Next, it offers enhanced visibility. With real-time insights into operations, manufacturers can track resources effortlessly. Issues and bottlenecks can be identified quickly, reducing downtime. Books365 also leads to faster time to market. Efficiency improvements result in quicker production cycles and prompt product delivery. As productivity rises, manufacturers benefit from automated tasks and detailed visibility. In addition, real-time monitoring is key. Users can see performance indicators instantly, allowing for swift strategic adjustments. Predictive analytics provide invaluable forecasts for managing inventory and supply chains efficiently. Imagine intelligent supply chains. That's what Books365 all-in-one advanced ERP delivers. Improved demand planning and logistics mean agile decision-making for manufacturers. Employees thrive with empowered tools from Books365 all-in-one advanced ERP. They gain access to necessary information, improving overall job performance. Collaboration becomes seamless, uniting departments and enhancing teamwork. Anytime, anywhere access is another feature elevating collaboration. Teams can connect from anywhere, breaking down geographical barriers. Now, let's discuss improved customer relationships. With integrated CRM systems, Books365 all-in-one advanced ERP enables personalized customer experiences. Enhanced communication and responsiveness lead to strengthened customer ties. This optimization benefits sales and marketing efforts by providing deeper customer insights. What about scalability and flexibility? Books365 all-in-one advanced ERP easily adapts to changing business needs. Whether deployed on-premise or in the cloud, it fits any operational strategy. Consider other vital advantages as well. By refining quality control, Books365 minimizes scrap costs significantly. Improved order fulfillment boosts delivery speeds and customer satisfaction. Enhanced field service management is critical too. First-time fix rates rise, reducing downtime for manufacturers. Finally, compliance and security are paramount. Books365 ensures manufacturers meet industry regulations and protects sensitive information. In summary, Books365 all-in-one advanced ERP empowers manufacturers. It streamlines processes, enhances visibility, and supports informed decision-making. Improved collaboration and customer relationships follow, alongside scalability and security. Are you ready to transform your manufacturing operation? Run your business automated and digitized using Books365 all-in-one advanced ERP and unlock your business potential. Contact us now at start@books365.in for a demo and discussion.